You ready?
Ready.
Now,
Read the back of the card. Read it.
to Daddy, Grandma, and Grandpa, Merry Christmas from. Now, I told the guys at work, if you get a brother, you get bunk beds, and Daddy gets a pool table. Okay.
But if it's a girl, Daddy, what was that?
Girl, we buy a shotgun to chase away the guys looking for your sister.
Now, one thing's for sure, it's not twins. So,
It's a girl.
show Mom the name.
You get a sister. We get shotguns, buddy.
Yeah, we got shotguns, buddy. Buddy, what is your baby? Is it a boy or a girl?
What's your baby?
Remember the doctor's office this morning? What did she say? It's a what? That face is so disappointed. Like, it's a girl. I don't get a boy.
Hey, here's the penguin.
Yes, you're looking at that.